What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Is it possible to get a loan without a job? Yes, you may acquire a loan without a job if you can show that you have another source of income, put up collateral, or locate a cosigner. Lenders won't turn you down just because you don't have a job, but they will need you to show that you can return the money you borrow in some way. Here are some thorough ways how to obtain a loan without a job. Find a different way to make money. Unemployment, retirement, disability, alimony, and child support are examples of such benefits. You might also use assets like a savings account, a trust fund, or investments to supplement your income. You can also include a spouse's or partner's income if you have appropriate access to it, as well as other sources of income. Obtain a cosigner. If you acquire a cosigner for a loan, that individual will be responsible for repayment if you default. The lender bases their judgment on the cosigner's credit and income throughout the approval procedure. Assist with collateral. There are several secured loans available that need you to put up significant collateral in order to get the loan. If you default on a loan, the lender might seize the collateral to recuperate their losses. Because the lender has a different manner of being paid, they are less concerned with your income. Reduce your debt-to-income ratio, DTI. Even if you don't have a job, the less debt you have in relation to your overall income, the less hazardous you are as a borrower. Prior to asking for a loan, try to pay off any current obligations, or increase your income, if at all feasible. Boost your credit score. The higher your credit score, the better your chances of getting a loan. As long as you have some type of money, this can compensate for not having a job. The good news is that you may raise your credit score in a number of simple ways. Use a HELOC, home equity line of credit. If you own a property, you can acquire a loan or line of credit based on the value of your home less the amount you still owe on your mortgage. Getting a home equity loan or HELOC may be challenging with no work, but it is feasible. Keep in mind that the loan or line of credit is secured by your home, so if you can't repay it, you might lose your home. Borrow from a family or a friend. Even if you don't have a job right now, someone close to you may be eager to assist you. However, you should have a formal repayment plan in place since you don't want to destroy your connection with that individual by not repaying them. Take out a pawnshop loan or a car title loan. These solutions should be used only as a last resort. They must be avoided at all costs. An auto title loan is backed by your vehicle and can cost up to 25% of the amount borrowed. Pawnshops charge 2% to 25% interest every month, and if you don't pay them back, you risk losing your goods. Apply for a cash advance. You can use your credit card to withdraw money from an ATM up to the limit shown on your monthly bill if you have one. Cash advances, on the other hand, do not fall within your credit card's grace period, so interest begins to accrue immediately. The average APR on a cash advance is above 21%. Borrow money from a 401k plan. You can withdraw money from your retirement account early, but you must repay it within 5 years or face a penalty. You'll have to pay interest on this loan, but it'll go into your retirement account to help make up for the period you didn't invest the money. Even if you can repay the loan within 5 years, this alternative is not ideal since it requires you to pay more money out of your own pocket rather than having your investments grow in value naturally. The dangers of getting a loan when you don't have a job. Just keep in mind that getting a loan without a job might be risky because if your other source of money disappears, you risk skipping payments and harming your credit. Furthermore, you may be unable to obtain favorable interest rates, a long payback time, or minimal costs. Taking out a vehicle title loan, pawning an item, or getting a credit card cash advance are a few less ideal methods to receive a loan with no work. To decide which technique to employ to obtain your loan, you must weigh all of your alternatives and understand their benefits and drawbacks. Finally, not having a job will not preclude you from obtaining a loan. However, it will complicate the procedure. You should be alright if you have another consistent source of income or a cosigner. Of course, the amount of income you'll require is determined by the size of the loan you're seeking. In addition to your other costs, your income must be adequate to cover your monthly payments. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go, get that money.